Now this is the day when Ninja Man fans have been waiting for. The appeal to set Ninja Man free. Of course, the people are saying based on the evidence, based on the way the trial took place, Ninja Man will be found innocent. If you want a Ninja Man free, drop a like on the video. Drop your comment in the comment section. May I also make it hear from the lawyer and what they said took place in an initial trial, why Ninja Man is behind the bars now, and why he will be released. Look and listen.
The empirical evidence shows that the number 12 is a more solid tribunal to hear matters, because the smaller the group is more you get what they call a group verdict. So for example, 7 of us sitting on a jury, after a week we become good friends. We go into each other's home, we go into each other's church, we talk into each other's family. It's not a safe thing to do. But for some reason in Jamaica, we keep undermining the importance of these issues. No. Judge alone? Yes. I know quite a couple judges I would try my matter before, but I don't have a choice when I go before a particular judge.
Interesting.
Right? Yeah. So if I could pick my judge, I know who I would pick. I know who the objective ones are.
One of the most prolific dancehall entertainers to have ever done dancehall music is about to be released. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me how you feel. Tell me if you believe that the appeal court, seeing what took place with the trial itself, seeing the questions raised, the questions pointed out, the questions that were asked by then attorney Ms. Robertson, and the fact that the new attorneys now are basing their focus based on the fact that humanitarian rights, constitutional rights were violated. Every individual is entitled to a fair trial, no matter what. But they must say the way Ninja Man's case was handled, he was not given one of those fair trials. And people are saying, based on what them say with other people who have brought their case to the appeal court for matters similar to this, matters not like this, they are seeing that the appeal court is now looking at the justice system from a more first world standpoint. Meaning, say, the way the judicial system was when Ninja Man was convicted is not that laws have changed. It's the fact that the way the judicial system looks at these discrepancies and the fact that a constitutional right, when a violation is made on that is something based on law them have to rectify, them have to look into. Their aim as judges is to have a good judicial system where everybody have follow the rules and everybody is given what is due to them fairly. And having a fair trial is just one of those rights. But talk to me. Some people are say it's gonna be a celebration. People are saying them glad to see what go on in dancehall music at this moment. Meaning, say, as you know, Vybz Kartel has been released. Now the shows and tours all about. You know what I mean? Beenie Man get back in visa, Bounty them get back visa. You know what I mean? Buju them a tour. You know what I mean? Buju and Vybz Kartel have both been released and I do music and I bring dancehall and reggae entertainment, live entertainment to higher heights. And if you're going to talk about live entertainment, because keep in mind, of course, we have been hearing Vybz Kartel songs, even when Vybz Kartel they behind the bars. Him still a release chart-topping hits. But what people are now fascinated with is that live performance, seeing him on stage. Same thing with Buju. Now, if you're going to talk about live performances, whether it be reggae or dancehall, when we talk about Jamaican music and live performances, well, one of the best live performance to ever do musical performance. And Ninja Man. If you want somebody to talk about what going on right now, entertain the crowd right now. People are saying we are talking about Ninja. They must have even that nostalgic energy. Too much years now, people are saying Ninja Man on stage. It would be the same type of vibe. And they must say, if we even gonna talk about legacy and how veteran entertainers can help these younger generation and entertainers to make music will not only make sense for today and create musical careers that you're not only popular for today, but years in the future. People can say, hey, no, them artists that inspire me for the music. They must say Ninja and one of them artists that we can talk to and show these younger generation artists the way. They must say Ninja is a DJ's DJ. Yeah, one of them artists that way are your favorite artist. You ever hear that term there? Well, if you see footage with Ninja Man in the studio or at any studio yard, you will realize what we are talking about. And one of them artists that way him entertain or other entertainers find his just him vibe. Entertaining. We already hear Cartel say one of the artists that may inspire him. So he might inspire the greats in the genre of dancehall music. And for many other artists too. That's why all them artists that we look up to are inspired by artists from those generations. If you realize them have a more long-lasting and a more legacy type of impact or respect in the music industry. Because them learn from people who learn from some people with a pre. For do the music out of the love and the passion for the music. But then they're also aware of, the message that them are putting in the music and how people would interpret the message. Even though we know Ninja Man for hardcore dancehall gun tracks. Yeah, let's just be truthful. At the front teeth, gold teeth, gun pan teeth, and gargan. But when you hear Ninja Man speak to people and talk and remind people, say, yo, whether or not you feel like him do these things in a real life, lyrics are lyrics. This is what he's saying to you right now. Youths stay in a school. Working people, law-abiding citizens, go and do what you want to do. Criminal element, it might allow law enforcement to get them out. Despite what you hear him on stage, I say, if this is what I say to you in an interview, judging by what I say. Ninja Man is an on-stage persona. Desmond Valentine is an individual. But for musicians, it's hard to separate the two. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Will it be a celebration moment? Will the appeal court be releasing Ninja Man from incarceration? And if you want a Ninja Man freed, drop a like on the video and drop a comment in the comment section. Comment freedom for Ninja Man. Yeah, comment freedom for Ninja Man. Of course, you're not going to know the specifics of what was said. What evidence was presented. Or what the judges are saying. And as I know, with the appeal, there is no jury. This is an appeal court, so just the judges are going to listen to it. There's no jury. Just Ninja, his defense attorneys, the prosecution, and the 3-judge tribunal that presides over an appeal on the Jamaican island. So talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. Of course, if you're new to the channel as a pass through, subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Now, of course, until the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.